In these 3 days of the Global AI Summit, we've learned about how artificial intelligence has the potential to impact the world. AI will change the way we live, the way we play, and how we create. If we look at innovation, it has always played a critical role on how we work and productivity. We can't imagine 150 years ago how people used to work without electricity. 50 years ago, computers and the internet changed how we communicate and how we think of the workplace. We live through the time where we survived a global pandemic, and the global economy was able to prosper because of innovation at the workplace. And the question, of course, is how will AI change the way we work moving into the future? Now, innovation has always been fueled by talents. However, AI will rely on talent as the main driver moving into the future. And if we look at AI's contribution to productivity in the future, it's estimated to be around $6 trillion. Just for reference sake, automotive industry is contributing right now about $3 trillion. Now, how can we actually reach that point? As mentioned, talent will be the main driver to reach it. And it comes as no surprise, 6 out of 15 future jobs are AI associated. Now, today, I would like to argue about the context in which AI is applied remains extremely relevant. Where AI is applied, what people, language, country, those are all essential factors that will determine whether the application of AI will be impactful, unbiased. And of course, to illustrate this point, I would like to use a simple task that we do every day, which is searching for information. Search is something that's extremely important right now. And search is a task that relies on artificial intelligence and machine learning. And I ask my bilingual friends in the audience if they ever perform a search using the English language and some other language, say Arabic, they will find that the results in English are much richer and relevant. And the reason for that is very simple. The state of natural language understanding in the English language is much more advanced than other languages. So I'd like to argue that for AI to be beneficial, it has to be localized. It's not enough that we have concentrations of AI talent. The whole global community has to develop talents in artificial intelligence and related fields to reap the benefits. Prince Mohammed bin Salman's foundation, MISC, has conducted a survey for 30 countries looking for the link between vocational training and future industry needs. And only 7 of those countries were actually working on this link. Now, His Excellency Abdullah Swaha, the Minister of Communication and Information Technology, in his opening remarks, talked about the massive efforts in the kingdom in training future talents in tech, and specifically in artificial intelligence and AI. And at Muzn, a local Saudi startup working on disrupting natural language understanding and leveraging AI to fight financial crime, we're a living testament of the impact of that transformation. We have a team that's comprised of global talent and, as importantly, local AI talents. 60% of our team are in core AI functions. And more importantly, and what we're really proud of, is 34% of our team are women. We just learned, and we just saw live, more evidence of the transformation that's happening in the kingdom by Sadaya's announcement in training women in artificial intelligence. Of course, in the process, we've created 100 jobs in this sector. Our team is also very passionate about AI within the community. We work with multiple centers in the kingdom on supporting, for example, at the CAT Center, which is a partnership with Munsha'at, on empowering startups in Saudi to use and leverage AI and data. We're also very proud in supporting the AI community in the kingdom, for example, with Women in Data Science, Saudi Data Community, and other events. Of course, how can we empower talents and the community? Designing and implementing policies that grow talent is very important. And of course, AI will continuously change. In general, innovation requires us to be very proactive in terms of assessing and understanding what are the skills that are required for the future. Supporting communities and grassroots AI efforts within the community is also incredibly important. Now, if we ask a question, will we be able to realize the full potential of AI from what we've witnessed in the kingdom in the last 4 or 5 years? I'm incredibly optimistic. Thank you for your time.